folks, I'm Randy from campingandfishingcalifornia.com, and today we're up in Lower Twin Lakes Campground up on the Robinson Creek just outside of Bridgeport, California. And I want to share a video with you on the Widowmaker, and we don't refer to that very lovingly, and we'll explain to you why in just a few minutes. So this is what we so unlovingly call a Widowmaker. And this is a pine cone just chock full of sap. And it all starts with hearing a chirping sound from the trees above your rig. You'll hear a chirp, 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 chirp. And pretty soon, within just a minute or two, you'll hear some come crashing down onto the top of your rig. Now, the top of your rig may have 2 or 3 different dome covers. It may have your air conditioning cover, may have a solar panel, but it's got a lot of plastic up there. And that plastic up there is no match for these Widowmakers when they start getting launched on top of your rig. And that's what the squirrels are doing. And when they start chirping, you almost would think that they're just having fun with you and that they are intentionally getting set to just destroy the top of your rig. Now, once they do launch them, they'll wind up somewhere down here in the grass or down below a tree, or maybe somewhere like this right here. But what I want to show you is what happens to them and what they wind up looking like. Now, this is the end result of one of those pine cones we call a Widowmaker. You can see this one right here. It's been pretty much polished off for a while. This one's been finished off for quite a while too, you can see. But this one, we just got done watching a squirrel take this one apart. And that's the next segment of this video that you're gonna see. That's what they wind up looking like when they're all totally finished. They look kind of like a corn cob, and they weigh about the same weight as a corn cob. So stay tuned and we'll show you a little bit of film coverage of a squirrel taking this thing apart. So again, guys, I'm Randy from campingandfishingcalifornia.com. Just wanted to share a little bit with you on these Widowmakers. Anytime you're up here in the Robinson Creek area, be sure and double check your camping area before you actually pull your rig into it. If you see a lot of these corncob looking things around, or a lot of these real solid, real heavy looking pine cones sitting there, good chance you may be parking underneath a battle zone. So, hey, thanks again for checking us out. We sure appreciate you guys, and we'll talk to you right around the corner.